Warm words, and thank you for welcoming all of us here to Camden, to your borough. Thank you, Abdul, for putting on this great show here. Thank you most of all for reminding us of the fact that the diversity of this borough reflects in many senses the diversity of this great city. South Asia has a huge connection with London in general, and even in Camden, as Abdul was pointing out. Some of the shipments of trade from the East India Company days actually brought materials from South Asia here, and people of South Asian origin actually came into London from that trade. So the canals that actually pass through here are actually canals of connectivity that bring culture, food, and tradition across from South Asia and other parts of the world to this city. South Asia has a lot that is diverse, obviously. The music that you just heard during the fashion show just now, during that excellent exposition of dresses, it actually was a multiplicity of South Asian languages. I heard Bengali, I heard Tamil, I heard Punjabi, and I heard Hindi in that. There may have been a couple more. But if you think about it, many of these are mutually unintelligible to many people, including in South Asia. And that, in a sense, is the magic of South Asia. There are multiple cultures, multiple stories, all woven together in a common shared thread of cultures that has so much history and heritage behind it. The music of Bollywood, the festival that you're seeing today, the food that you have around you, is a celebration of street life, a celebration of the many cultures of South Asia and the many commonalities of South Asia. We also have other commonalities, much that you would recognize here. Every South Asian older gentleman is an uncle. Every South Asian lady around 30 is an auntie. And everybody knows that every South Asian kid goes to engineering or to medical college. So that commonality comes not just in the UK, it comes from back home in Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Nepal as well. Our cultures, ladies and gentlemen, add a touch of color, a touch of spice, and a touch of beat to your parties here. Because we in South Asia, among other things, also, as you will see here from the Bollywood dance studios, from the music that you will see, the tradition of South Asian street parties comes from the history of its dance, its music, and the telling of stories through dance and music. We will follow this with something that we've brought all the way from India, which is why I get to speak to you, which is Bharatanatyam performance, which is one of the oldest classical dance forms of South Asia, which is the telling of stories largely around epics through dance, which I hope you will truly enjoy. All that remains is for me to thank the Mayor once more. Thank you, and of course, Abdul, for all your hard work, your team here. But in particular, I ask you to think of the police, the volunteers who have helped make this safe and a fun festival for all of you. Their Saturday, their Sunday is spent making all of us safer. So a special thank you to all of them, and to all of you, let me say Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal, and Namaste. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Salam Alaikum and Namaste. What a fantastic day. I know I'm dressed up, it's hot, but I was in another service and I thought, let me just come here and just show off with my robes. So thank you for having me.
To meet you. I'm from London UKP channel. My name is Priya. Please introduce yourself and tell us what is going on here today, please.
Thank you. My name is Councillor Samata Khatun, Mayor of Camden. I'm absolutely delighted to be here to celebrate the South Asian Heritage Month, and that's part of Camden Lock Market. Nikki Ezra is one of the organizers. She works here with Abdul Hai. Thank you for organizing this fantastic event with live music, food, and people from around the world. And from India, we had some really something, I don't know, it's Indian traditional dancers from India. Yeah, from India. They all came from India to perform in Camden and in London. So as a mayor, I'm incredibly proud to have them here. And thank you to your team for organizing this. This is a fantastic event to get together, to get to know the communities of different culture, heritage. Thank you.
It's been a pleasure. I've been working with Abdul Hai. I'm the cultural event producer for Camden Markets.
करेंगे ऐ वतन तेरे लिए, दिल दिया है जान भी देंगे ऐ वतन तेरे लिए. Thank you so much.
Dear Mayor of Camden, Councillor Samantha Khatun, and thank you so much for coming along this afternoon to this wonderful festival. This is part of our 50th celebration of Camden Market. Camden Market started off arts and cultural stalls 50 years ago, and now it's one of the most diverse markets in UK, one of the largest street markets in the UK, renowned for artistic, cultural and music. And in a way, the South Asian Heritage Month is a reflection of the arts and culture. It's part of our arts and cultural program which we have developed over the years.